Go.
if you're a developer, including Microsoft, so guess what? At the moment, like any developer, if you're then running, if you generate an AI model and you're doing all the things, you're going to have to like call out to ChatGPT, do some like have some server farm, that's processing the things. So now you don't need to have any of that. You can just put it on the Apple computer and it does it locally, and you don't need.
All
And
that
if it
stuff
needs more, it goes to the cloud,
goes out
does
and
it, and grabs it, grabs more
definitely.
power from
Right.
private compute. So in that regard, even if you're like, how much money would you save? Like, because every time if you're a pro user of and you're an API user of ChatGPT,
Mm.
and then you're plugging that in to then run a model on, you're paying. You're
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh,
paying
yeah, yeah.
monies, man. Like,
Yeah,
and then that affects the viability of your app. Like, even if you're Microsoft, you're running Copilot, so you're running server time. Like, it's not like maybe they're not paying ChatGPT like OpenAI. Well, I mean they
but
are.
they're paying
The
in
energy and
running
server
their
time.
own, yeah, own,
So if
variety.
you're
Exactly.
Microsoft, you would want to put, if you put Windows, any instance of Windows running on a Mac that's running Copilot locally, no money. Any instance of Office
Yeah.
doesn't. And this is a trippy situation. I reckon there's a lot of C execs right sitting there going, "What the
Nervous.
fuck?" Like, imagine if
Very
you're
nervous.
well, I don't know, but what if you're Microsoft and you're like, "Okay, we've got Copilot in all of our Office apps,
Yeah.
and they're domain trained on Excel and Word and
And
things.
all the different, yeah, products.
So we would run that locally on an Apple computer, and we would run that in the cloud on a Windows computer. So that means that the Mac version of Office would be like heaps faster and
Yeah.
heaps kind of things, like,
Mm-mm.
and cost you as Microsoft heaps less.
Yeah, yeah,
Perhaps
yeah.
you could even offer some of the
Because of your
features.
localization, that's it.
Yeah, and I mean, imagine like Copilot Pro, like for Microsoft, for Mac, for Office, you have to pay for that. It's like 30
Mm.
bucks a month. But then if you're running no server time,
Yeah.
what does Microsoft? Either Microsoft makes it for free on the Mac, or if they still charge 30 bucks, they make the whole 30 bucks. You know what I mean? Like, instead of having to charge any server time. Like, so even from Microsoft's perspective, it's like, holy shit, that just became the best computer to run our OS on.
Yeah.